There's a tool that lets you connect almost any app to any other app without writing a single line of code. It's called Make, and most business owners have never heard of it. To understand why Make is powerful, you first need to understand what automation actually is and why most people give up on it too early. At its core, automation is about triggers and actions. Something happens, a trigger, and something else happens automatically as a result, an action. When you get a new email with an invoice attachment, trigger, new email. Action, save attachment to Google Drive, rename it, and log the details in a spreadsheet. No clicking, no copy-pasting. Done. Every time someone fills out a form on your website, trigger, form submitted. Action, add them to your email list, send them a welcome email, notify you in Slack, and create a task in your project manager. Simultaneously, instantly. Make, previously called Integromat, is the engine that makes these connections possible. And unlike simpler tools, it can handle complex logic, conditions, loops, error handling, and multi-step sequences. Here's the architecture. Make uses scenarios, visual flowcharts of your automation. Each step in the flow is called a module. Modules represent apps: Gmail, Google Sheets, Notion, Shopify, YouTube, Stripe, and over 1,500 others. You connect modules with arrows. Each arrow passes data from one app to the next. The data travels automatically, on a schedule or in real time, without you touching it. Why does the mechanism matter? Because once you understand the concept of passing data between modules, you can build any automation. The specific apps change, the logic stays the same. Here's a real example I built. When a new product sells on Gumroad, Make automatically adds the buyer to my email list, sends a confirmation email with the download link, logs the sale in a Google Sheet, and posts a Slack notification. That's 4 actions triggered by one event. Every sale, every time, while I sleep. Getting started on Make is free. The free tier allows up to 1,000 operations per month, enough for most small businesses to automate their most repetitive tasks. To build your first scenario, go to make.com, create a free account, and click Create a New Scenario. Choose your trigger app, let's say Gmail. Select the module Watch Emails. Set your filter, for example, emails with the subject line New Order. Add an action module, Google Sheets. Choose Add a Row. Map the fields, sender email, subject, date. Click Run once to test it. If it works, turn on the scenario. That's it. You've just automated something that used to take you 5 minutes every time it happened. The compounding effect of automation is what makes it so powerful. Save 5 minutes per trigger. If that trigger happens 10 times a day, you save 50 minutes daily. Per month, that's 25 hours, the equivalent of 3 full workdays. Start with the task you do most often, the one that feels mindless, the one you catch yourself wishing someone else would do. Automate that one first. Then watch what happens to the rest of your week. I built a beginner automation guide with 5 Make scenarios any small business can implement today. It's at funbiz.gumroad.com. Get the 5 ready-to-use Make automation scenarios at https://funbiz.gumroad.com.